Good morning everyone. Welcome back again in computer class. This is the part 2 of chapter number 6, that is presentation visual effect. Let's start the next topic, that is views of presentation. So here are the 4 views of presentation. Number 1 normal view, number 2 slide sorter view, number 3 reading view, and number 4 is slideshow view. Normal view generally contain 3 pans, that is slide pan, tab pan and note pan. This is a slide pan. This is a slide pan, this is the tab pan, this one, and next is note pan. This is the note pan. In slide pan we can see the 2 tabs. The first is your slides, that is already visible, and the second is outline. If I click on outline, it will appear in this way. And first is slide. Second is slide tabs. These holes, you can click on particular slide, now it will be displayed. And the last is note pan. This is the note pan. Here you can write down any note regarding a particular slide. Now the next view is slide sorter view. So we can see manufactured slides. Like in a manufacturer, we can see that the slides in thumbnails views. So here I will click on slide sorter. So you can see all slide in thumbnails view. Now this is the reading view. In the reading view on your computer screen, allow you to view presentation not in a full screen slideshow view, but in a window with a simple control that make the presentation easy to review. And the last is slideshow view. The slideshow view is used to view the presentation in full screen. You can see this is the full screen. And press the escape key to come back to normal view. Now the next topic is note page. It is used to display the notes. Click on view tab and click on note page. So you can see slide in this view. You can add a note here of your slide. Next topic is slide master. Master enable us to make global setting for our slides, such as inserting our company logo or a page number on every slide. When we change the master, all slide based on that master change too. Now types of master: slide master, handout master and notes master. See in this presentation, click on view tab. After that, click on slide master. You can see the changes. So slide master set consists of an overall theme for each slide layout. Changes made to the master are applied to corresponding presentation slides also. Like if I change in this master slide, then automatically corresponding changes applied in other slides also. Now elements of slide master. The slide master tab, slide master, layout master, placeholder, footer, date and slide numbers also. Now the first is slide master tab. The slide master tab will appear top of the window of MS PowerPoint. See, this is the slide master tab, this one. Then slide master. This is the slide master. Next, layout master. These all are the layout masters. Then placeholders. This is the placeholder and this one also the placeholder. Then footer. This one. Footer, date and slide number. Footer, date and slide number. So the slide master tab used to create, delete and rename slide masters. Next, slide master, it shows in the left pan and the set of the masters is created for each theme you apply to a presentation. Then layout master, this one. Layout master, they represent the various slide layout. Then placeholder, this one. So we can select a text or content placeholder and apply the formatting changes. And the last is footer, date and slide number. The date placeholder position the date on each slide and the page placeholder provide the page number on all slide. and the footer placeholder to add information such as your company's name to every slide. Now next topic is adding slide transition. It is a visual effect that appear when you move from one slide to another. Actually this is the MS Office 2007, so here the transition option is not there, but I will show you. Transition options appear in this way. So just place your cursor on it. Now it will be applied like in this way. And here you can also able to add a transition sound, this one, and transition speed also, and apply to all also. This is the transition. It just provide a visual effect to your presentation, to your slide. Now next is adding animation effect. So this effect make the PowerPoint slide show interesting and give it a professional look. Special visual and sound effects applied to the text. So now this is the animation tab. Click on it. You can see these all options. Actually transition and animations both are related to each other. Both apply the visual effect and make the presentation more attractive and give it a professional look. Now next is adding media clips. So media clips can be inserted into a PowerPoint slide to play during a slideshow presentation. Now the steps are: click on the slide to which you want to add multimedia. So I just want to click on this slide, this one. Then click on insert tab from the ribbon. After that, this is the movie and this is the sound. If you want to apply, then method will be same for the both option. So I just choose here sound and sound from file. So I just choose here IPL file, music, then OK. Then automatically. Now this icon will appear on your slide. That means sound available here or maybe sound included. After that, see the slideshow view. You are able to listen the sound. As it is the same steps, you have to choose apply to apply the movie. Rest chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.